see that arrow right there? Where my finger's pointing? I mean, the lanes are going to be closed.
Look at the fun feeling groovy.
I remember this construction site when I was little. Do you still remember that when I was a little boy, I used to like the construction site when I was a little boy, seeing all the dirt and everything?
Yeah.
When I was a little boy?
Yeah.
Now I get a chance to do this. And I'm so sorry I accidentally deleted my other one because I decided to do a replacement one. It was really good. Pause the recording for a second. Oh, I see what they're doing right there. Putting a new fence and a guardrail.
They're shoring up the shoulder there so that the water won't run underneath the pavement and make all the holes in the road.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I can see an arrow right there.
That's what happens.
You see the arrow right there?
Yeah.
What do you think they're doing over there?
I don't know.
Right close to the guardrail.
That's what they're doing. They're just strengthening the sides of the road so that the water won't leak under it.
Oh, it looks really new. I'm doing this good video of this construction update.
Yeah.
Oh, it looks really cool. I actually like it. It's really cool. Yeah. You know, you don't hear a lot of construction noises over here. I'm not sure they're gonna do 2 lanes.
I don't think they might do another passing lane. I don't know.
You mean they might do 2 lanes?
They might do another passing lane right here.
Another passing zone?
Yeah, but they might.
If that's another way to pass?
Well, they're widening the road here. Yeah, they're going to do it.
That's really cool.
Yeah.
That's really cool.
Maybe that's how they're going to. Maybe that's their plan for making a 4-lane highway. They're going to do it a little bit at a time.
That's actually cool, Dad.
Yeah.
I remember this construction site when I was little.
Yeah.
Ever since 2010, I believe. I'm not really sure if they were doing all this construction
Came back
then. I'm not really sure.
2006. I think
When they started
still
building.
working on it in 2008 or 9.